Hi, I'm Rima. I am the founder of Heart and Soul Matchmaking Service. And I wanted to take this opportunity to share my journey with you. So, in 2013 is when I got into the matchmaking space. And at that time, I was the first one to start events for singles in their 30s and late 30s because no matchmaker was willing to touch that age group. So I was the pioneer in doing events and starting a matchmaking service for singles in their late 30s. So in 2017, my business partnership ended, and that is when I started Heart and Soul. And Heart and Soul was a reflection of my healing journey. So along the way, I also became a relationship coach because I have been studying different modalities. I have studied inner child healing. I have studied neuro-linguistic programming, gestalt therapy, family constellation therapy. So this is like really deep work because it really helps you to work on your patterns at a subconscious level. So I have spent a lot of my time healing myself, and that's when I decided to start Heart and Soul because I wanted to help other people do the same. I know there are a lot of dating apps, there are a lot of single mixers, there are a lot of platforms where you can meet other single people. But I genuinely feel if you have not done the work and looked within, and if you've not done the healing, then you are going to attract people who reflect your emotional state. So most of the people that you will attract will mirror your emotional wounds. So there has to be a lot of work that goes within. You have to work on your beliefs, you have to work on your patterns, and you have to really understand what is happening within your life. So at Heart and Soul, we don't promise to introduce you to that $1 million guy. Rather, we help you to meet your $1 million self. So there's a huge difference when you're attracting someone at this level. At this level, you have your self doubts, you have your limiting beliefs, you have your self sabotaging patterns which are blocking you from attracting love. And then there is you at this level, which is coming from a more grounded place, which is where you have worked on your beliefs, you worked on your self worth, and then you attract the right relationship from that space. So you can imagine what it feels like to attract somebody from this level and this level. So I really encourage you to join our services, but if you decide to join our services, to really understand where we are coming from.